Hello, hi, welcome to another new episode to Monos Prabhakaran Talks. And in this episode, yes, I am in a very green place out over here, and this place is located exactly in ECR, Chennai. And in case if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Monos Prabhakaran Talks. And in case if you have still not followed my Insta handle, also, I'm going to place a link below, and it's Prabhakaran_Manoj. Yes, that's my Insta handle. And without any further ado, let's go into the video. This place is actually really special out over here, and I'm in the place called Sorel, which is actually located in the ECR, Chennai. I'm going to place the link and the Google Map location out below in the description. Don't forget to check out with your name and the contact number. The place looks really brilliant out over here, and I'm really liking it. Over here they are having almost more than 100 variety of indoor plants. You can actually beautify your house in terms of being it any garden, indoor or probably outdoor. So really amazing. It's colorful, it's green, it's beauty. I have really no words to explain you all. And also another thing, I'm not only here to just see all these greenery, and I've also come to taste this special coconut jelly out over here. As you all know, food is also my favorite, I would say. So let's see what are all these special plants that the Sorel Gardens out in the Chennai ECR has been kept out over here. So let's see. So with me out, I have the cropped cactus. If you can see, these cactuses are of different colors. So with me, I have the pink one, red one, yellow one. So there are actually a lot of colors out over here. If you can see, nowadays this is actually really easy to grow in the indoor. It doesn't require great sunlight, I would say. So probably once in a week, you can just sprinkle some water in that. So that is what I know about this, and I'm not a great expert out over here, since this place is actually really beautiful and I wanted to showcase it to you all. So that's the reason I've come to this place. And also another thing, I find this out over here, and it's written saying that Haworthia attenutulia green. So that's the name of this small cacti out over here. And sorry if I've pronounced the name a little wrong. So yes, the next one that I have in my hand is called Haworthia retusa. So this is really small, and so as I've told you, probably in a week you just need to water only single time, and single time matlab just a small amount of water. You don't need to probably pour a lot of water, because this all needs only very small amount. Probably you can also sprinkle the water. So that's the name, Haworthia retusa. It's what it's written out over here. Let's see what is this written. It's called Kalanchoe tomentoso nigra. So this is also one among the small pot that I have in my hand. So great varieties out over here. I've not seen these kind of varieties out over here. So like this, they have almost 50 plus varieties for your indoor. You can actually beautify your indoor space, being it home or your office or your workstation also. So I am pretty impressed of this place, which I would say. After that, I have another one. I think I need to be a little careful because it's actually pricking me, I would say. So the another plant in my hand, I would say, it's called Kalanchoe biharensis maltese cross. So that's the name out which is written here. This all doesn't seems to grow big, so it's only small in size, and it's just a sprinkle of water just weekly once you can do, because this all doesn't require a lot of attention. It just helps you to keep your place neat and clean with all these tiny little greenery. And also another thing, I was actually surprised in seeing this. I actually asked a person out over here, being local, how does this plant grow? So his reply was, it grows with the help of the moisture in the air, and probably on a day-to-day basis. So just a sprinkle of water is required, is what I've been told from a local person out over here. So this is actually really different to me. I have not seen this so far in my circle, or probably nearby the gardens out in the ECR. It's actually very good. It helps to beautify the indoor space at your house, and very cute, very tiny little. It doesn't require any pot, or just you can probably keep it at any of the table, or probably in your workstation. Not only the indoor plants that they have, apart from the indoor plants, they also have the colorful ceramic pots out over here. So look at this owl. So all these tiny things out over here, which is kept in the Sorel Gardens in ECR Chennai, it actually helps to beautify the indoor, being it your home or office or any workstation that you work. Seeing this small little plant, actually it's something really different, and this is called the Cacti peruvianus florida. So that's what the name all it says, and it's very different out. When I see, I've not seen such a thing like this. It's very green, it's very small, and all these doesn't even require on a day-to-day basis to water the plants. Kudos to the team out over here who is maintaining the entire garden out over here, because taking care of all these cute little pots out over here for the indoor, it's not actually really that easy. So it actually needs some hard work and maintenance also. Yes, so a big kudos to the team. With me, I have Padmini Gokul ma'am out over here in Sorel Gardens, Chennai ECR. So let's see what ma'am has to say about this place. Hi ma'am, thank you so much for joining in this episode.
Thank you so much for visiting us. See, actually, we started in 2014 with a lot of passion. Gokul is the person who is like love plants. So though his profession he's a cardiologist, but on top of it he loves plants, and he's also a person who loves to decorate the house. So it will be like, my house will be like a museum actually. But when we go for ride on ECR, every time we visit a lot of nurseries, maybe in 2010, 11 that time, and we used to buy plants. And we used to see people who buy, they love plants and they come and buy, but without any education, without knowing about the plants, they go and buy. There are like quite a few expensive plants, like foliages and all, very expensive, like 7,000, 8,000. People doesn't mind in spending that much amount. But there was no good instructions given to the customers, right? And by end of the day, even I can see like many people, they're coming and complaining to gardeners that it's getting spoiled. They are asking for the instructions. Nobody was there to guide them.
So you mean to say, so a lot of them don't really have that educated way in terms of buying the plants?
Exactly. People see, many people, they love plants. Obviously, they always love plants when it is green, and when the color changes, when the plant behavior changes, they are not able to accept it. Okay, and as a gardener, we are supposed to help them in understanding what is the reason, right? Why it is changing, how it is to be fixed up.
And also, as per the customer's requirement, do you also set that kind of a requirement by going to their place?
No, we are actually not doing it.
Okay.
But what happened is we do the customization what they ask in the same pot and give it to them.
Okay.
So it is like a very big garden designed for themselves, and it is kept in one small place, space in their house.
Okay.
So that is called a second generation gardening, and we introduced that to Chennai and it became a huge hit actually, and we were known for that miniature.
Oh, wow.
And still our miniatures are very unique, and people recognize that it has Gokul's touch.
And apart from the place where we are in ECR, you have any other branch in Chennai?
Yes, we do have our main branch is in Muttukadu. This is our
okay.
second branch in Chibagam.
nice, okay.
Yeah, so this is primarily the retail place, and Muttukadu is our propagation area. Yeah, mainly for the wholesalers and propagation, we have kept that place.
Okay.
And this is retail, 100% retail. Person comes with a plant almost dying stage. We try to revive and give it for them.
At a
Give it
free of
back
cost?
At free of cost, one thing.
That's something to
Second
be
thing,
noted.
if somebody is going on trips, like a month or 2 months, and if they don't have space or people to take care, they drop it at our location, and we completely take care of them, okay, at free of cost. And anything, if the plant is like gone or that something to be repotted, those costs alone will be sent to them. So these kind of services we also add. Reason being, we want to inculcate that gardening, greenery, everything is there, and it is required for this generation. That's what we are doing.
Viewers, is actually really surprising me out over here. So far, நிஜமா சொல்றேன், எந்த ஒரு கார்டன்ல இங்க ஈசிஆர் நீங்க சென்னை பக்கம் வந்தீங்கன்னா, no founder or no one, being it even a person who's actually taking care of this the place, doesn't even give these many informations. I'm really happy and honored to be in such a place and interviewing ma'am out, and I would also be giving you the link and the place in the description below. So thank you so much ma'am for joining me. Finally, the fresh tender coconut, I mean the jelly, has finally arrived in my hand, and it's actually served chilled. I just can't wait to taste them, and as I said, this is coming in a very limited stock. So before you travel to taste especially this at Sorel Gardens in Chennai ECR, don't forget to call them and come to this place. So I just can't wait to open it. So here it is, and if you can see, I can see the jelly out over here, which is made fresh, and it has just come. So let's see how this tastes. So, and this is the first time I'm coming out over here and tasting this. Look this out. Oh wow. And so what they have done is that the normal tender coconut which you buy outside, the water that they have frozen out, and it has some little sweet texture to it, and to my knowledge they have not added any preservative, no color, no extra sugar, and it's very tasty. I just can't wait to finish them, or probably if in case I have time or something left, I would like to share this to my partner. So So I also finally finished it also. And as I said, when you come to this place, do not miss to try this yummy coconut jelly. I hope you really like this episode. In case if you like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Manoj Prabhakaran Talks. And in case if you have still not followed my handle, it's Prabhakaran_Manoj is my official Instagram handle. And I hope you all are staying safe. Don't forget to get yourself vaccinated. And that's all I have to say. And a lot more interesting videos on your way. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.